Welcome back. In news overseas, the United States is escalating its global trade dispute, announcing new tariffs on imports from around 60 trading partners over concerns about forced labor. The new duties, ranging from 10 to 12.5%, take effect on Friday and will affect major economies, including the United Kingdom, the European Union, Canada, Japan, and India. The White House says the tariffs are aimed at protecting American workers and ensuring fair competition. But economists warn the added costs could be passed on to consumers through higher prices on everyday goods. Meanwhile, affected countries and business groups are weighing legal action and possible retaliatory tariffs as the U.S. continues investigations that could lead to even more trade measures later this year.